Bitcoin is seeing a small bounce off from the support, but we are still trading within this structure. Bitcoin is already trading in for the past couple of weeks. But guys, do we see a light at the end of the tunnel? Are we seeing the signals right now that Bitcoin potentially is going to see a breakout to the upside? Because we are seeing some altcoins like Luna and AFEX who are showing similar structure as what we are seeing in the Bitcoin chart, but here we already have seen a bullish breakout. Could these altcoins be front running Bitcoin right now? And I also want to have a look, guys, which might be even more important, at the bigger time frames, at the weekly time frame in the price of Bitcoin. And I want to show you which levels we really have to reclaim in the not so distant future for Bitcoin to really turn bullish again, and to not only see a small bounce right here, which could eventually lead to a retracement where we eventually could see a further drop from. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Guys, before we are jumping into Bitcoin, make sure to scroll below this video to hit the thumbs up button. Let's check if we can get over 200 likes on today's video. That would be amazing. And for the ones that haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any important update that I'm doing right here. So guys, first of all, I want to start off on the weekly time frame. Yesterday we have been talking about it as well. Bitcoin had a weekly close below the 50-week moving average. And actually, let me get rid of the drawings. That is actually quite in generally a bearish sign, of course, because this is a key moving average in the price of Bitcoin, and previous times when we lost this level, we've also seen a further drop in the Bitcoin price. So the moment Bitcoin is losing key moving averages or key levels in the chart, it is very important for Bitcoin, if Bitcoin wants to remain bullish, to reclaim those levels and to not take that much time to reclaim those levels, because the longer we are trading below key levels, the more bearish it actually looks. And we already lost the 20-week moving average and the 21-week EMA. Let me quickly show you guys the levels right here. We got the 20-week moving average and the 21-week EMA. This level has been tested already as resistance. And guys, the reason that a lot of traders are looking at these levels is due to the fact that in 2016, 2017, during the whole bull market, Bitcoin has held the weekly candles above these levels. So right now we are trading below it. We know this cycle is different than 2016, 2017. However, guys, this is still a bearish sign on the weekly time frame. And like I said, the moment we close below this level, we really want to see a quick recovery for Bitcoin to get a firm continuation of this uptrend. We haven't seen that yet. And right now, after losing the 50-week, we definitely have to see these signals as well as bearish signs on the weekly time frame. However, that's the interesting thing right now. On the weekly time frame, things are actually looking quite bearish, losing all these key levels. But when we dive into the shorter term time frame, we are actually seeing the opposite. We are seeing Bitcoin potentially making a bottom formation right here. So that is where we have been talking about in my past videos, right? We have negative funding rates, we got huge divergences with the MACD, with the relative strength index, prices going lower, setting lower lows, but the momentum indicators are doing the opposite. So the only thing Bitcoin right now needs to do is to break key resistance in order to get at least a bounce. Then guys, if Bitcoin is going to see that bounce, if Bitcoin can break above this declining resistance and can see a nice breakout to the upside, there's one more important question we need to ask ourselves, and that is that bounce going to result eventually in a new uptrend? Can we see a nice impulsive bounce right here, impulsive move? Or is it going to be a breather, a retracement, and will Bitcoin roll over eventually? Well guys, I'm going to show you the exact levels right now in the Bitcoin chart to determine what is going to happen when Bitcoin is seeing that potential bounce. Well, first of all, guys, the very short-term resistance right now is this declining resistance, the green line, which would be at approximately 47,800. That is a potential falling wedge formation that Bitcoin right now is in. Falling wedge formation normally is a bullish formation. However, we entered it from a downtrend. That makes the chances of breakout actually 50-50, 50% to the upside, 50% to the downside. I would say likelihood to the upside is slightly higher due to the fact that we have negative funding rates, bullish divergences, and I want to point out, guys, we are seeing some altcoin charts that are actually looking quite bullish. So we got right here Luna. Luna had a nice breakout of the declining resistance and is setting a rally right here, right now trading at approximately $80. But this chart, this is AFEX against US dollars, actually looking quite interesting because we have a similar structure as we have seen with Bitcoin. We also have a falling wedge formation right here, declining support, declining resistance, and eventually we broke above the declining resistance and we started a nice rally, trading right now at $111. So is it possible, guys, that these altcoin charts right now are already showing some strength, which potentially is being expressed in the Bitcoin price as well? Well, that is definitely possible. It's not the first time that we are seeing that. We often see charts from Ethereum have been front running Bitcoin, and especially when the structure is looking quite similar, it is a bullish sign for Bitcoin, I have to say, when these altcoins are already starting a rally. So guys, let's say if Bitcoin can see that bounce right here and can break above these resistances, which levels we should be watching above us? Well, first of all, we got a declining resistance coming in right here, which would be at approximately $51,000. Then I want to go with you to the weekly time frame, and I want to show you the weekly levels that you should be watching. And it would be awesome for Bitcoin to really break above these key moving average on the weekly time frame in the not so distant future. So we got the 50-week moving average, where if Bitcoin wants to remain bullish, I think it's very important to get the next weekly close. So this week close back above this level, which is at $48,000 roughly. But it would be even better for Bitcoin if we can reclaim these two bull market deterministic moving average. That is the 21 weekly EMA, which is at 51,400, or the 20-week moving average, which is at approximately 52,900. But guys, this week is going to be very important for Bitcoin to break above that 50-week moving average. Otherwise, we are continuing to seeing weakness on the weekly time frame, which is just another warning signal of Bitcoin might be seeing a further drop right here. Then guys, I want to point out another key level in the Bitcoin price, and if we break that specific level, we might see the start of a rally in the Bitcoin price. But before I'm going to point out this key level, guys, I want to remind every single one of you that right now there is a big bonus going on over on the Bybit exchange, and if you sign up using my affiliate link down below, you can get a $4,100 bonus and a 10% discount on your fees. And on the Femix platform, you can get a $1,200 bonus with the link down below, and on the Prime XPT platform, you can get a 25% discount on your fees. And Bybit and Femix are basically one of the best platforms to trade Bitcoin with leverage, or on the spot market, and a variety of altcoins, of course. And on the Prime XPT exchange, you can trade Bitcoin, a variety of altcoins with leverage, but you can also trade the regular financial markets there, gold, silver, forex, and so on. And they got other functionalities like gold vesting, where you, for example, can copy other traders as well. So for all the traders that are interested in joining one of these platforms, you can find my affiliate links down below and claim these big bonuses. And the biggest bonus on Bybit right now, guys, is a temporary bonus. So you have till the beginning of January to claim this major bonus. Then guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Let's check if we can get over 200 likes on today's video. That would be awesome. Then guys, let's go back to the Bitcoin price, and the yellow line that we are seeing right here, that is the 20 daily moving average. And we have seen in the previous corrections as well, the moment Bitcoin get a nice decisive break above the 20 daily moving average, we have seen it right here, but also after we finish this correction, then most of the time that is showing us that we might be seeing the start of a rally in the Bitcoin price. Right now, it could be something similar. If we break above the 20 daily moving average, which is at roughly $49,000 right now, then that could show us that we might see the start of a rally in the Bitcoin price. Do take in mind, guys, that this level right now is aligning with this declining resistance and the declining former support of this bigger falling wedge formation. So there's some confluence right here, which could be an extra confirmation. So when Bitcoin can see a nice break above this, above this declining channel and above the 20 daily moving average, then that might be an early signal that we are going to see a rally in the Bitcoin price. Would be awesome to see that in the coming days, because Bitcoin really needs to close or really needs to clean. Would be awesome to see that rally very, very soon, as Bitcoin has some work to do in reclaiming some key levels right here, especially on the weekly time frame. Then guys, quickly want to remind you as well that the sentiment right now is still quite bearish, which is an advantage of the bulls. Right? We want to have a bearish sentiment in order for Bitcoin to see a nice rally, because the more bearish the sentiment, actually the more bullish Bitcoin can be, because the more potential buyers are actually there to drive up the price. Sounds a bit controversial, but that's basically how it works. But yeah guys, for now we have to wait and see with Bitcoin. Are we going to get another leg down, testing the support again, or can Bitcoin see a nice breakout right here? Of course, there's always a possibility for Bitcoin to really lose this level and to see a further drop in the price. Like I said, I think this is the less likely scenario. For that scenario to occur, we need to break the level of $55,000 decisively in the Bitcoin price. So that is the support level that I'm watching to the downside. And always take in mind, guys, that it is possible for Bitcoin to see a quick wick to touch liquidity and from there see a reversal. So a decisive break, I mean a break below $45,000, and on the shorter term time frames to see a retest and test this level as resistance. So guys, that is basically what I'm watching with Bitcoin right now. On the weekly time frame, things are actually looking slightly bearish as we are losing these key levels. However, in the shorter term time frame, we are seeing the first signs of a reversal. The only thing to confirm that, guys, what Bitcoin needs to do is to break some key levels and reclaim those key levels on a weekly time frame in order to become bullish again. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is so much appreciated, guys. For all the traders that are interested in trading Bitcoin or variety of altcoins, I'm recommending 3 exchanges down below this video. And if you sign up on one of these exchanges using my affiliate link, you can claim a additional bonus. On the Bybit, that is a bonus of $4,100 and a 10% discount on your fees. On the Femex platform, it is a $1,200 bonus, and on the Prime XBT exchange, it is a 25% discount on your fees. If you want to know how these platforms work, you can find multiple tutorials over on my channel where I explain exactly how you can use these platforms for your trading. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.